The second command you are going to learn is cd. With cd you can change current directory. So let's see an example. I'm going to list all the content and folders available in my current directory. Now I want to navigate in this desktop directory. To do it, we can use cd and space, and here we have to enter a folder name, desktop. Right, now we can see we are in desktop directory. Now let's see folders and files. Now I just cleaned my desktop. Now let's look at by typing ls. Alright, there is 3 folders. I want to navigate in this hello space Udemy directory, but how I can do it? Cd hello space Udemy is not working. If contain space, you can always use backslash and space. Let's look at cd hello backslash space Udemy. Now we are in this directory. Now let's see how to navigate into previous directory. To do it, you can use cd space 2 dot cd space dot dot. Now we are in our previous directory called desktop. Alright, now let's ls. Now I just want to navigate in this hello space Udemy space course. To do it, remember cd and first one is hello, and now backslash space Udemy backslash space course. You can always use backslash and space. Now we are in that folder. Now I just want to navigate in root directory. To do it, you can use single cd. Now remember, this is our root directory. Let's look ls. Yes,